Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. Career reading tayo ngayon, take only what resonates ulit. And, sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Jing Tarot Reader. Siya yung nagbibigay ng personal reading. Ako hindi pa ako nagbibigay pero pwede nyo ako i-follow sa TikTok kasi dyan ako mag-announce pag open na po ako sa personal reading. Okay, let's start. This is for the sign of Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Career reading for Virgos. Messages for Virgos, please. Okay, thank you, Spirit guys, angel guides for Virgos. Okay, meron ka ditong 10 of Stones and this is home. Page of Arrows. And the Woodward. And the Journey. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Arrows and Justice. Okay, so nakakita tayo ng mga decision making na ginagawa dito, And with the Woodward, actually, if you are a businessman, business person, nakita tayo dito ng panibagong journey para sa'yo. The journey is here. So this is like a new journey for you. Ang maganda dito is that may communication na towards doon sa goal kung anong gagawin. Some of you might be starting a business or kung meron ng negosyo, pwedeng may mga plano regarding doon. And there's this communication regarding dito. Ayan. If you're not a businessman, maybe yung iba sa inyo just planning na in the future, gusto ko na ganitong negosyo, and then yung iba sa inyo pwedeng ngayon is napapag-usapan na kung ano yung pinaka-plano na yon. So, there's this communication na maganda. And, pareho, ang maganda dito, kung sino man yung mga kasama mo, ka-team mo dito sa bagay na ito, na na-vision mo, pareho kayo nakikita, pareho kayo ng gustong mangyari, pareho kayo ng, it's like the same or pareho ang path ninyo. And, naiiwasan yung conflict because there's understanding between the two of you. There's this communication between the two of you. So, maganda yon. For the sign of Virgo, please. Messages pagdating sa career. You do have here the Ace of Arrows, the breath of life. Yan. Actually, the Ace is like signifying new beginning. At ang maganda dito, it's an arrow, which is nakakita tayo ng action doon. And with the Eight of Stones, this is you na sa mga susunod na araw or linggo, buwan, nakikita natin na ilalabas mo yung skills mo Unti-unti kang nagiging magaling. Diba? Kung makikita mo, there's this person here. It's like parang sinaunang caveman, sinaunang tao, which is the caveman. Which is, naipapamalas niya dito yung kanyang mga skills at yun ay natutunan niya nang siya lang mag-isa. Like, no one taught this person. Walang nagturo. And that could be the skills na naipamalas mo, na either you are inborn with it, no, inborn ka na kaya mo yung ganong klaseng skills, or some of you, walang nagturo sa'yo. Ikaw mismo yung umalam. Ikaw mismo yung nag-research. Ikaw mismo yung nag-aral sa sarili mo. Okay, some of you, this could have something to do with music, yan, di ba? Natuto ka mag-gitara, and then some of you, pwedeng doon ka magaling na ilabas mo yon. And then, some of you, could be may kinalaman sa kamay, handicraft, pagtatahi, yan. So, some of you ganun. Walang nagturo. Kung may nagturo man, alalay lang, but not necessarily everything is galing doon. So, this is what I can see here. This is you na inilalabas mo in the near future, itong mga angking mong galing na ito. Okay? And maybe it has something to do with this new beginning. And what I do like about this is that kung pagkakabitin mo is, for example, itong caveman ito to, pinagkakasya niya muna yung sarili niya kung ano meron. And then, he or she is trying to learn how to build a house like this. May kita mo, there's a house. This is like showing us a vision. Ito yung vision niya. Ito yung gusto niya mangyari. And then, pwedeng this is you telling these people na ito ang gusto kong mangyari, ito ang plano ko, ito ang nakikita kong mangyayari after nito, ganyan. And then this is you showing to these people kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. And this is you na may knowledge ka, may skills ka in order for you na mailabas or maisakatuparan kung ano man ito. And napakaganda. Tell me more. I can also see inggit, kaaway, like mga taong wala pa sa ngayon, pero pag nailabas na ito, pag nasimula na ito, at pag nakita na nila yung mga ginawa mo, nandyan na sila, may mga naiinggit na, may mga nagmamata na sa'yo. You do have your balance, yeah. Like what I've told you, if you do have partners, napakaganda. Kasi itong partner, partnership na ito is very balanced. Both of you are may communication, may coordination, may teamwork, ayan, and very, very favorable kung ikaw ay may kapartner dito sa gagawain mo na ito. And you do have here the green woman. This is you, like yung color green kasi is, you know, sa stoplight, it's a go signal. And with a woman, it's like, alam mo yun, pag kasi babae ang, hindi ko alam ha, but according to my perception, pag babae ang nagmamaneho, may hinay-hinay yan, di ba? Hindi karas-karas, hindi nagmamabilis. And there's this green, which is a go signal, na ginagawa mo, pero may paghihinay-hinay. May hindi nagmamadali na kind of energy. And whatever this skills is, na ipinapamalas mo, you're really good at it. You're really good at it. And yan, kaya nga may mga naiinggit eh. Hindi nila alam kung anong istorya mo. Pero nakikita nila kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa'yo. Like this boom, like that. And there's a new person na mailalabas mo sa sarili mo. Hindi ka ganyan dati. Hindi ikaw yan dati. Maybe some of you, 5 months, 6 months, or maybe even a year ago, hindi ka ganyan. Ikaw yung tipo ng tao na parang, hindi ko sinasabing ito yung pinaka-story mo ha. Pero some of you, pwedeng ikaw yung tipo ng tao na lagi na lang nakahilata, nakikipag-chismisan, ganun lang. Parang happy-go-lucky. Nung years na yun, parang okay lang. Diba? At least, sakto na sa akin kung ano yung meron ako, kinikita ko, etc. But this is you being motivated. And alam mo, malaki yung naitutulong ng Jupiter and Uranus conjunction, which is, lagi ko yung nababanggit na sa mga nakaraan kong video, but it's a big transformation. And itong transformation mo na ito ay magbibigay ng big change for you, and it's a positive change. At ang maganda diyan, pinapagana mo yung iyong galing sa pakikipag-communicate, at dahil doon ay mas nauunawaan ka na ng lahat. Kasi might be in the past, you are like the kind of person na sinasarili mo na lang, saka ka na lang magsasalita, or hayaan mo na lang, ganun. But now you are being more communicative, you are being more open, which is nakakatulong yun para sa'yo, for you to for them, or for those people to understand you more, to learn kung ano yung may matutunan din sila sa'yo, alam mo yun. And what will happen in the future for you, Virgo, when it comes to your career? For career reading para sa mga Virgo, ano ang messages para dito? Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. You do have here, by the way, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal, ha. Babasahin ko lang ng reversal pag naramdaman kong reversal yon. Seven of Vessels. Like this one, actually, lumabas talaga siya ng reversal, and naramdaman ko yung reversal, so I will read this in reverse. And you do have here the Archer. Wow. The Archer. 10 of Vessels. Yan. And one more card. You do have here the 9 of Arrows. Okay. In the near future, for Vessels is here. There's this boredom energy. 2 of Vessels, attraction. The Hooded Man. Okay. The way I see this, it's like there's two kind of future for you. May dalawang klase ng future. Depende sa'yo kung ano yung action mo. So, ito yun. Some of you, there's this 9 of Arrows. May mga problema. Pero, maaring with the 7 of Vessels in reverse, medyo maunahan ka ng emosyon mo, and then tendency hindi mo aksyonan ito. So, ang tendency, walang mangyari. Kasi of course, dahil doon sa problema na yon, challenge na yon, medyo hayaan mo na muna. You know what I mean? So, medyo emosyon mo yung gumagana dito. And the 4 of Vessels is here. This is showing as you taking your time, pero at the same time, dun sa pagte-take mo ng time na yon, sobrang ang dami mo nang nasasayang na oras kasi sayang yung panahon. And kung magpapakain ka doon sa problem na yon, sa challenges na yon, walang mangyayari, walang improvement, walang movement. On the other hand, some of you, the future will be very good, lalo na kung may kapartner ka talaga dito. If you are alone in this career or in this challenge, medyo mahirap para sa'yo. Kasi, honestly speaking, kaya mo, kaya lang nauunahan ka nga ng sarili mo, ng emosyon mo. So, ang tendency, hindi mo kinakaya. So, you need a partner to help you, push you na magawa mo yung mga dapat mong gawin. And in the future, for some of you, if you have a partner, you do have here the Archer, which is, this is like unti-unti ninyong pagtutulungan ma-achieve itong 10 of Vessels, which is happiness. Unti-unti nyo tutulungan ng isa't isa para ma-achieve yung mga bagay na gusto ninyo. And there's this partnership with the 2 of Vessels. It's like both of you, alam nyo hindi nyo magagawa ng mabilisan yung isang bagay kung hindi dahil lang sa isa't isa. Parang gano'n. Some of you, it's a love partner. Some of you, maybe a business partner, a friend, or a team. with people. And nandito, ipinapairal yung partnership, which is maganda. Diba? It's like kung gusto mong mag-light ng fire, of course, may teamwork. Yung isa kakalap ng materials, ng gamit, and then ikaw naman, you are the one who is going to work out dito kung paano mas magiging maganda ito, magiging product, etc. And then, there's this teamwork, which is maganda talaga. So, maganda yung kinakalabasan yan. The hooded man is here. I can see a message coming. A message is coming to you in the near future. And ano yung message na yan? The King of Bows is here. So, it has something to do with mga, some of you, yung message has something to do with mga kaaway mo, kagalit mo. And some of you, the Wanderer is here, and the Green Man. This could be a new beginning for you na pwedeng maging, or a new person that will enter sa buhay mo to be part of what you are currently doing, or kung ano itong binibuild mo. Gusto niya maging part noon. So, alin man doon yung mga message na dadating sa'yo. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.